Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now by inspecting each piece for loose stones, coatings, or scratches so you avoid damage. Remove clasps and separate items. Mix a few drops of mild dish soap into a bowl of warm water, about 1 teaspoon per cup, and submerge the jewelry for 1 to 3 minutes to loosen grime. Use a soft toothbrush to gently agitate prongs and chain links. This lifts dirt without abrading the steel, so you preserve shine while cleaning effectively. Once submerged, you work methodically. Hold the piece over the bowl and use circular strokes to target crevices, the backs of settings, and jump rings where oils collect. Make sure to apply light pressure. Stainless steel is tough, but abrasive scrubbing damages finishes. Rinse each item under warm running water to remove loosened debris and repeat gentle brushing for stubborn spots. After rinsing, pat dry with a soft lint-free cloth and recheck under bright light to ensure all grime is gone. You finish by drying thoroughly. Pat with a lint-free cloth and let pieces air for 10 to 15 minutes to avoid trapped moisture that causes spotting. Then polish with a microfiber or jeweler's cloth in the metal's grain direction to restore luster and remove watermarks. If a stubborn film remains, you can apply a 1-to-1 baking soda paste gently and rinse. If discoloration persists, test any stronger method on a hidden area first. Key tip: if water spots appear, repeat gentle rinse and polish immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.